Most people think that once you hit 60, your body slows down and muscle loss is inevitable. But that's not true. Your body is capable of incredible transformation, no matter your age. You just have to give it the right push, consistency, movement, and the right mindset. Today, let's talk about how you can build muscle, regain strength, and feel more alive than ever, right from the comfort of your home. Most people believe that once they reach 60, the body naturally slows down, strength fades, and energy levels drop, but the truth is very different. Age is not the end of strength. It's a stage where your body responds differently, not less. Your muscles, bones, and metabolism can still improve with effort, nutrition, and a strong mindset. The human body is designed to adapt and rebuild itself no matter how old it gets, as long as it's given consistent movement and proper care. What changes after 60 isn't the body's potential. It's usually the mindset of the person. When you start believing that you're capable of becoming stronger, your actions follow that belief. You move more, eat better, and take small steps toward improvement, and those small actions create massive results over time. Muscle loss after 60, known as sarcopenia, can make people feel weaker or tired faster, but it's not irreversible. Scientific research shows that with regular resistance exercises, even light ones, older adults can regain strength, build lean muscle, and improve balance and mobility. You don't have to lift heavy weights or join a gym to see change. The key is consistency. Doing a few squats every morning, simple wall push-ups, or using light resistance bands can reactivate dormant muscles and signal your body to grow stronger. Your body listens to your habits. If you feed it movement, it stays alive and responsive. If you stay still, it slowly begins to shut down the systems that keep you strong. The biggest obstacle is often not the body's ability, but the belief that it's too late. Many people accept weakness as a natural part of aging, but those who refuse to accept it often surprise themselves. They find that with just a few weeks of steady exercise, their stamina improves, their pain decreases, and their energy returns. The reason is simple. When you move, blood flow increases, oxygen levels rise, and your body releases hormones that repair and rebuild muscle tissue. Even walking for 20 minutes daily or doing light stretching can make you feel more youthful and energetic. Another important part of staying strong after 60 is mindset. Your thoughts directly influence how your body performs. When you constantly tell yourself you're old or tired, your body follows that command. But when you remind yourself that age doesn't define your strength, your body starts to act accordingly. Every time you challenge yourself to move, lift, or stretch, you're telling your body, "I'm not done yet." That message alone can change how you feel and function. Instead of seeing age as a decline, think of it as a new phase of mastery, one where you understand your body better, listen to it more closely, and train it more wisely. You may not move like you did in your 20s, but you can still build resilience, flexibility, and muscle power with intention. The goal isn't perfection or competition. It's vitality. Strength at 60 is about moving with ease, living pain-free, and having the energy to enjoy life fully. Every time you choose to move, you're proving that age is just a number, and the real strength comes from the will to keep going. You don't need a gym membership or heavy weights to build strength after 60. In fact, simple home exercises done consistently can transform your body, improve mobility, and boost your overall energy. The beauty of these exercises is that they require little to no equipment, take very little time, and can easily fit into your daily routine. What matters most is consistency and proper form. Starting small and staying regular is far more effective than pushing too hard and giving up early. Your body responds best to gradual progress, especially at this stage of life. When you choose to move a little every day, you give your muscles, joints, and heart the message that you're still active, still capable, and still growing stronger. Chair squats are one of the simplest and most effective ways to build leg and core strength. Sitting down and standing up repeatedly from a chair engages your thighs, hips, and lower back, all while improving balance. Over time, this movement increases muscle endurance and prevents stiffness in the lower body. It also makes everyday activities, like climbing stairs or getting up from bed, much easier. Even 10 repetitions a day can make a noticeable difference in a few weeks. It's not about speed but control and intention. Wall push-ups are another excellent home exercise that works the upper body without straining the joints. Unlike regular push-ups, wall push-ups are easier on the shoulders and wrists, but they still engage the chest, arms, and core. Stand facing a wall, place your palms flat against it, and slowly bend your elbows as you bring your body closer to the wall, then push back. This movement improves upper body tone, boosts stability, and strengthens muscles you use daily for lifting, carrying, or reaching. Leg raises are great for balance and flexibility. Stand behind a chair, hold the backrest for support, and gently raise one leg to the side, then lower it. Repeat on both sides. This simple move activates your hips, thighs, and glutes, which are crucial for walking and maintaining good posture. Light resistance bands can also be used to add a bit of challenge as your strength improves. The goal is not to exhaust yourself, but to awaken muscles that may have become inactive over time. You can also include seated exercises if you have limited mobility. Lifting your knees while sitting, rolling your shoulders, or doing light arm circles can stimulate blood flow and reduce stiffness. The key is movement, any form of it. Even 5 to 10 minutes of activity a few times a day can re-energize your body and sharpen your mind. These small habits compound into big results when practiced daily. As you perform these exercises, focus on your breathing and posture. Deep, slow breaths help oxygenate your muscles and keep you calm and focused. Always listen to your body. Mild discomfort means your muscles are working, but sharp pain is a sign to rest. You don't need to rush the process. Slow, steady progress leads to lasting strength and flexibility. In just a few weeks of consistent home workouts, you'll begin to feel lighter, move easier, and notice your stamina improving. With time, your body will thank you for every small effort, rewarding you with strength, confidence, and vitality that no gym could ever guarantee. Building muscle and maintaining energy after 60 isn't just about movement. It's about fueling your body with the right nutrients. What you eat directly impacts your strength, recovery, and how you feel every single day. Muscles need protein, vitamins, and minerals to rebuild and stay firm, and as you age, your body becomes less efficient at using the nutrients you consume. That means it's even more important to make every meal count. The right foods can slow down muscle loss, support joint health, and keep your metabolism active. Eating with purpose can completely change the way your body responds to exercise and daily activity. Protein is the foundation of muscle repair and growth. Older adults often don't get enough of it, leading to weakness and fatigue. Including high-quality protein sources in every meal can help rebuild tissue and keep muscles strong. Eggs, yogurt, cottage cheese, lentils, beans, tofu, and fish are excellent choices. If you eat meat, lean chicken or turkey are also great options. The key is to spread your protein intake throughout the day rather than eating it all at once. A protein-rich breakfast, such as scrambled eggs with vegetables or Greek yogurt with nuts, sets the tone for better energy all day long. Along with protein, your body needs complex carbohydrates for sustained energy. Whole grains like oats, brown rice, and quinoa provide steady fuel without sudden sugar crashes. They also help digestion and keep your heart healthy. Pairing carbohydrates with protein after a workout helps muscles recover faster and reduces soreness. Healthy fats also play a big role in keeping your joints flexible and your hormones balanced. Avocados, olive oil, nuts, and seeds are small additions that make a big difference in how your body functions. Vitamins and minerals are another crucial part of the equation. Calcium and vitamin D keep your bones strong, magnesium supports muscle relaxation, and potassium prevents cramps. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and broccoli are rich in these essential nutrients. Brightly colored fruits such as oranges, berries, and papayas add antioxidants that protect your cells from aging. Including a variety of colorful foods in your diet not only makes your meals appealing but ensures your body gets a full range of nutrients it needs to stay youthful. Hydration is often overlooked but is just as important as food. Muscles are made mostly of water, and even mild dehydration can make you feel tired or achy. Drinking water throughout the day keeps your muscles flexible, your skin vibrant, and your digestion smooth. Herbal teas and water-rich fruits like watermelon and cucumber are excellent ways to stay hydrated naturally. It's also essential to eat mindfully. Take time to chew your food slowly and enjoy each bite. This simple habit helps digestion and allows your body to absorb nutrients more effectively. Avoid skipping meals or relying too much on processed foods, as they lack the nutrients your body needs to rebuild. Instead, focus on whole, natural foods that give you real energy. When you pair the right diet with regular exercise and rest, your body responds by feeling stronger, lighter, and more balanced. Every meal becomes a chance to build a better version of yourself from the inside out. Rest is often seen as something passive, but in reality, it's one of the most powerful tools for building strength, restoring energy, and keeping the body youthful after 60. Exercise breaks down muscle fibers, and it's during rest that your body repairs and strengthens them. Without proper rest and recovery, even the best workout or healthiest diet can't deliver lasting results. The body, just like the mind, needs time to recharge, and quality sleep is where that transformation happens. For older adults, prioritizing deep, uninterrupted sleep is not just a comfort, it's a crucial part of health and longevity. When you sleep, your body goes into repair mode. Muscle tissue regenerates, hormones that support growth and metabolism are released, and inflammation begins to decrease. This is why people who rest well often notice better strength, faster recovery, and more energy the next day. On the other hand, poor sleep or irregular rest patterns can lead to fatigue, slower metabolism, and even difficulty maintaining balance or coordination. To truly benefit from exercise, you have to allow your body the time and environment to recover fully. A simple routine that includes going to bed and waking up at the same time every day helps regulate your internal clock and improve sleep quality. Creating a peaceful nighttime routine makes a huge difference. Avoiding screens an hour before bed, keeping lights dim, and engaging in relaxing activities like light stretching, meditation, or reading signals the brain that it's time to rest. The body naturally produces melatonin, a hormone that promotes sleep, but too much artificial light from phones or televisions can block it. Replacing those distractions with calm habits helps you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Even the temperature of your room plays a role. Slightly cooler environments help your body relax and enter deep sleep more easily. Naps can also be beneficial when used wisely. A short nap of 20 to 30 minutes during the day can refresh your mind, improve focus, and reduce fatigue without disrupting nighttime sleep. It's not a sign of laziness. It's a strategic way to keep energy levels balanced, especially if you've had an active day. Along with rest, it's important to listen to your body's signals. If you feel soreness or stiffness, that's your body asking for recovery. Taking a rest day between workouts allows your muscles to heal and grow stronger, preventing injuries or burnout. Relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, mindfulness, or gentle yoga before bed can reduce stress and calm the nervous system. Chronic stress can elevate cortisol levels, which interfere with muscle recovery and sleep quality. By managing stress, you give your body a chance to perform at its best. Hydration also plays a role in recovery. Drinking enough water throughout the day keeps your muscles and joints lubricated, making it easier for them to repair overnight. The secret to staying active and strong isn't just how hard you work, it's how well you recover. The combination of consistent exercise, balanced nutrition, and restorative rest creates a cycle of renewal that keeps you energized and resilient. Your body knows how to heal itself. You just have to give it time and the right environment to do so. When you honor your body's need for rest, you wake up not just refreshed but truly renewed, ready to move, grow, and live with vitality each new day. Your mindset has more power over your body than most people realize. The thoughts you think every day shape the way you move, feel, and age. A positive, determined mindset can literally change how your body responds to exercise, diet, and recovery. Many older adults lose motivation because they start to believe that age limits their strength, flexibility, or potential, but this belief becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. When you tell yourself you're too old or too tired, your brain sends that message to your body, and it reacts accordingly. But when you shift your mindset to one of possibility and growth, your body follows. Confidence, optimism, and self-belief activate parts of your nervous system that enhance energy, coordination, and resilience. Every morning, the first thoughts you have set the tone for your entire day. Starting your day with gratitude and purpose can give you the motivation to take care of your body. Even saying to yourself, "I'm getting stronger every day," can create a mental shift that leads to physical change. The brain doesn't distinguish between what's real and what's imagined. It reacts to your beliefs. When you visualize yourself as strong, capable, and active, your body naturally begins to align with that image. It's not magic, it's mindset. What you think consistently becomes what you do repeatedly. Aging gracefully isn't just about eating right or exercising. It's about maintaining a spirit that refuses to give up. Every challenge you've faced in life has taught you resilience, and that same resilience can be applied to your health. Instead of seeing exercise as a chore, see it as an act of self-respect. Instead of focusing on limitations, focus on progress. How much better you feel today than yesterday. That perspective keeps you motivated even when results come slowly. Growth at any age takes patience, but with a strong mindset, every small step feels like victory. Surrounding yourself with positivity also plays a huge role in maintaining a healthy mindset. The people you spend time with influence how you think and feel. Spend time with those who uplift you, encourage you, and remind you that you are capable of more than you think. Engage in conversations that inspire, not drain you. Feed your mind with uplifting books, music, or affirmations that reinforce your belief in yourself. A positive environment keeps your energy high and your outlook strong even on difficult days. Self-compassion is another part of a powerful mindset. Some days you'll feel tired, and that's okay. Progress isn't always linear, and it's important to treat yourself with kindness during those times. The goal is not perfection, it's consistency. When you slip up or miss a day, don't let guilt or frustration stop you. Simply start again the next day. Your willingness to keep going matters far more than any setback. When you combine this kind of positive mindset with exercise, nutrition, and rest, your body responds beautifully. You begin to move with more confidence, smile more often, and approach life with renewed enthusiasm. You stop counting the years and start celebrating the moments that make you feel alive. The truth is, strength begins in the mind long before it shows in the body. When your thoughts are aligned with your goals, nothing, not even age, can hold you back from living a healthy, energetic, and fulfilling life.